Hello everyone, I'm Rachita and welcome to my first video. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can achieve this fresh and glowy summer monsoon look without any foundation. So let's get started. I'm starting with my Lakme Peach Milk Soft Cream. I'm just applying it all over my face for that moisturization and on my neck. For the next step, I am using my all-time favorite Lacto Calamine. I've been using this since 6-7 years and I love it. It helps with the stickiness and oiliness. मतलब कुछ भी उससे चिप नहीं लगता है. It makes me feel, it makes my face feel fresh. So I really like it. I have applied it all over my face and neck. Now for the next step, I am using my Lotus Sunscreen and I'm applying it all over my face and neck and also on the ears. For the next step, I am using my Lakme compact powder just to set my face, just to give it a matte look. And now I'm applying my Maybelline Baby Lips Lip balm. And now I love this product. This is the Swiss Beauty color changing lipstick. This is my third purchase and you can see it is also almost over. मुझे बहुत पसंद है. And this gives a really nice natural pink color to the lips. And I'm applying it on my cheeks as well. It gives that kind of look जिसमें ऐसा लगता है your cheeks are that blush look from within, that blushy look. I really like this. So I'm dabbing it all over my cheeks, on my forehead and just blending it properly on my nose. And now a little bit on my chin as well. I love this so much, so if I feel that मैंने थोड़ा कम लगाया तो I will apply a little more. It gives that glow from within look. I really love to do this step. So now I'm just tying my hair. I like to keep my hair open, but because it's so humid and hot, so I've just tied it up. Now just setting my hair. So I'm done. You can see how easy this was. I like to do this when I don't have to, I don't want to wear any kind of makeup. So I just really like this natural look. You can also try this for yourself and let me know what you think about this. Share your thoughts in the comment section with me. I would love to know what you think about this and if you would like to try this out for yourself. And show me some love. If you like the video, please consider subscribing to my channel and like the video and also share it. And thank you so much for watching my video.